Hi, my hair muse. Today we're making this bubble braids ponytail inspired by Temi or Tedola. I'm using my Overa gel, of course. This gel does not flake, okay? I moisturize my hair, make sure it's damp a bit before I applied my gel on the hair. I tied my hair, of course, with your sewing thread, and you just use your brush or whatever you have, right, to tie it down. I'm using this Lush. This Lush is very long, 68 inches long, the longest Lush Kinky. I used 2 wraps of it, so right now I'm actually just tying down my hair, and then I'm not applying really, but basically I'm just trying to like put the kinky to attach it to my hair, yes, to make the ponytail. So if you feel like the rubber band is not steady or strong enough, you can use your sewing thread to just tie it down and then wrap up your ends very well in order to create your bubble braids, right? Remember, that's what we are doing. So now you can flip it over. It's a very simple hairstyle. Take you about, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes to make this hairstyle. So right now you can have a rubber band. If you don't have one, you can use your sewing thread, fall back to your sewing thread to use it to create these bubble braids on your natural hair. So this hair is a very quick hairstyle, and it's beginner friendly. And just watch what I'm doing here. I'm just using my sewing thread to create those bubble effects. Make sure that you hold the thread, make sure that it holds the kinky very well. That way the bubbleness of of the hair kind of shows very well, right? So here you can see me doing the same thing repeatedly. Okay, so this hair is really long. I wasn't able to capture it very well on camera, but then coming to the front, I'm mixing my kinky and my attachment, but you can choose to use just your kinky or your attachment, but then you have to put a little bit of the kinky at the end. So when you get to, let's say, your eye level, you can then start to create your bubble ponytail effect yet again. So this is a quick hack I did to grab my hair very well, make sure it's tight, and voila, this is what we have here.